This is the Vax Power Wash p89p2p. It does 25 meters per square hour, and it comes with various attachments. Like this is the detergent one, I believe it is. So you can put this nozzle here straight into the detergent, and it will spray it directly onto what you're spraying onto. And you have this one which will cover more stuff like cars or whatever. Also got an extension which will go into your patio cleaner, which has the brushes on the bottom here, which I have already done some of. You can see here are the clean bits. And then you have the turbo, and that is for the harder to reach ones. So if I spray a bit up there, it does get it off pretty well. I've also tried it on my car, which has been building up a lot of sap from trees. This side here on the right I have sprayed, and this side you can see I haven't. It's been ground on for maybe a week or two, and I tried it on the roof, and again on the right hand side this is very ground on dirt and sap, which is, as you know, very hard to get off. So I'll show you how easy it is actually to get off with this. Okay, and then on the roof. It will come off nice and clean. There's obviously some assembly required. So you got the detergent hose, which there isn't really anywhere to put it, so you just hook it over here. See your on-off button there, and then your hose attaches to the front and here, and on here you also have a lock and unlock. There you go. So it's quite handy to have, especially if there's kids playing about. Now, AO did send me this to review, and I'm very happy with the product, and I will be using it a lot in the future to get the rest of this driveway done. Thank you very much.